Today we're going to look at one of the more popular Bluetooth headphones on Amazon. It currently has over 22,000 reviews. And these are the ActivBuds S-250 by Senso. You can see here it does have CVC 6.0 for noise cancellation. Here it talks about the IPX7 waterproof rating. Here they give you an idea of what you can use these headphones for, which is a pretty good idea because I don't think most people realize how many things you can use Bluetooth headphones for. So here on the back, they just give you a few of the specs. It does have an IPX7 waterproof rating. Wireless up to 30 feet, that's pretty standard for Bluetooth headphones. These are sweat proof, you can do hands-free calling. It does have an integrated mic and up to 8 hours playback. And down here you'll see what's included in the box. So let's go ahead and open the box and see what we've got. So it looks like they gave you a nice carbon fiber case that zips up. Set that aside for now. So I can't say I've seen a charger quite like this one. It seems pretty unique. It has these little caps, and this is the 3-foot charging cable. On the other end of the charger, it's just a regular USB. I kind of like these caps on here. Now they also give you a short charging cable, and this one has micro USB. Now I'm a little confused on why they give you two different types of chargers. This looks like a lightning cable for like Apple devices. This one looks like it's for Android. Aren't these chargers for the headphones? I guess we'll have to open up the rest to see, because this seems a little confusing. Okay, so this is nice. They include a car charger, and you've got a 2.1 amp and 1 amp USB ports, and with the Senso logo on the side. Here they give you a 10% off coupon if you register, and on the back is just support information. So here's a user guide. So this just tells you the package contents, the product overview. Here it shows pairing with 2 Bluetooth devices at the same time. So here's the headphones, which they're a little larger than I expected, but this cable has almost no weight to it. So they're still pretty light. I do like that there's buttons right on top, but these actually do look pretty nice. So they do give you, it looks like a few different options on the sizes and a couple line clips. So that's nice. So one thing I noticed already where you charge the headphones is right here. And if you don't have super long fingernails, this seems almost impossible to open. Okay, so as long as you have a knife in your pocket, you can charge your headphones. So I'm still not sure why they're giving you this charging cable that's extra long that doesn't even charge their headphones. So on your right headphone is all your controls. You got your volume up and down. Obviously this is your ear hook to hold them in place better. On the bottom is your micro USB port to charge it. Not sure if you can see with this being all black, but there's a hole right down in here is where your mic is. And it's pretty cool they use the S part of their logo as the multi-function button. So to turn it on, you should be able to just hold down this multi-function button, and you can see the light in the front there is ready to pair. So let's go ahead and pair it. Once you go into your Bluetooth settings, you're gonna see ActivBuds S-250. So you can see the LED light turns off once it's paired. And I noticed once I paired it with my phone once, it just automatically pairs with it the next time. And it syncs with the volume on your phone just by hitting the buttons. So when you hit the multi-function button, it'll play, and then hit it again, it'll pause. So after testing these, there's a few things that I don't like about these. For one, these ear hooks, they don't really fit my ears that well, and it almost feels like they're too large. I guess they help a little bit as far as keeping them on so they don't fall out of your ear, but they just don't feel comfortable, and I just think this is too big. Now, while at first I thought I would like these buttons being right on this part that goes into your ear, and while it is easy to turn the volume up and down and pause it and all that, it is easy to do that, but it feels like I'm pushing in on my ear, which isn't real comfortable. Once you add the ear hook, plus the bulk of this, plus this part, I don't know, to me it just seems like these are too big, especially if you're gonna use these while working out or playing sports. It just seems like they could have made this a little bit slimmer, or maybe just designed them a little bit different. And the last thing that bothers me is the sound quality. To me, it sounds pretty good on the highs, but anything with bass, these sound a little distorted. Almost like when you turn your radio up too high and it starts crackling, and then you have to turn it down a little bit so it doesn't sound like you're gonna blow your speakers. The weird thing is, it'll do that when these are only at 30 or 40%, not even halfway up, and the bass sounds distorted to me. So I don't know if it's just this pair that I got, that maybe there's a defect, or if they're all like that. So for me, it's a deal breaker, and I can't recommend these Bluetooth headphones. So I'm definitely gonna return these and either try a different brand or even a different model of the SoundPeats, because I really like how they sound. So if you're considering getting these ActivBuds S-250 headphones from Senso, save yourself some headache and buy these. Don't forget to subscribe and give a thumbs up if you haven't already. This is Brian from Fishbee Productions. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.